So in today's video we're gonna talk about this book. It's a small one. Look, nimble as it is. It's been destroyed, thrown around, I don't know where, but it's been through the decades of pampering and destruction. So anyway, why they throw there? Go back to my hands. So, welcome ladies and gentlemen. In today's video we're gonna talk about How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. In this book Dale Carnegie describes how to win friends, bring them to your way of thinking, introduce them to ways of friendliness, reciprocation, and how to, in the end, be a better friend to them and lead them to your way of thinking. So, without further ado, let's begin! So, Dale Carnegie explains a couple principles at how to win friends and influence people. So, the first way that Dale Carnegie explains how to win friends and influence people is smile. Smiling actually uplifts the friendliness, they uplift the actual desire to be liked, to be appreciated, and to be accepted by their company. Second, actually find way to be genuine with them, genuinely take time to listen to their questions, be interested in their way of thinking, and actually listen to their conversation. Because if you don't listen to their conversation, you're just like an NPC. You're just there thinking and listening and being like, well, when he's gonna finish the sentence, and then I'm gonna talk about my inner self. Like, that's not the point of the conversation. The point of the conversation is to actually listen to the other party, then you tell your own story, and then combine both stories, and then actually uplift both parties up. That's the whole point. So one of the also important terms that Dale Carnegie explains is, so the other part that Dale Carnegie explains to win friends over you is to make them feel important. If you don't make them feel important, is a waste of your story, waste of your plan. Listen to them. Actually listen to them intently. And make them feel important so that they think that you're actually paying attention to them, compared to you just being dumb and being an NPC there, just waiting for your turn. That's not the point of the friendship. So, these are a couple of things I have written down. I have a bunch more, but I know that you don't have the capacity to store the data like I want you to do. And I'm also, like, I don't like the scripts which I have there. So, if you just understand me, firstly look into the camera, then look into the monitor, look into the camera, look into the monitor. It's goddamn a waste of that time. It's better to firstly learn the stuff, actually read it firstly, yes, and then just talk it out in person. Like, you're my friend there, and I'm explaining to you. So yeah, that's the whole point of me being there. So, my advice to you: firstly, listen to your friends, make them feel important, smile at them, make them feel important. Actually enjoy their conversation, and that's about it. There are more things, but I forgot about them. But actually, learn about this book. It's a small read. I think 275 pages ain't that big. So take your time, read about this small book. It's short, to the point, simple. Gonna be learning about your friends more. You're gonna make better friendships, better connections in the end. It's better for you. You know this. So without further ado, get your game on and goodbye.